ate. Slowly lang ate. Slowly. You like it?
Thank you for the birthday gift.
What's that ate? Ate, mo beer.
What is here? Ah, you want to drink? You want to drink? Build it in the house.
Come on, pull.
Oh, it's the elephant cat. Elephant cat. Caterpillar cat.
Mix it well ate.
Yeah.
Ito pa kuya, lalagay.
Oh, nice slime na ate. Oh. Perfume.
Pagdala mo ko yung takip.
Come on, ate. Mix it well. The blue.
Ito din kuya.
Open. Put the glitters ate. Open.
Gusto mo ito ilagay?
Slowly.
Very good.
Go!
Ayan, sa gitna po. Okay? Patingin nga.
Go! Go, go, go! Wow! Don't touch! No touching, please! Yes, make it a ball. Is it a ball already?
Yeah.
Next. Okay, next. Make it a ball. Here. Do like this. Oh, yun. Oh, go, 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 go.
Yan, very good kayo. So, next game we call it a group yourself kayo. Pag sinabi po nila lang na group yourself according to number into 1. Okay, bitaw-bitaw yung kamay. Bitaw-bitaw. Then hug yourself. Hug yourself. Okay. Bitaw-bitaw yung kamay. Yan, hug yourself. Oh, that's a number 1 kids. Ready? Pag sinabi naman nila lang na group yourself according to number 6. Okay, then number 7. Then, patulog na sa number 8. Number 8.
The carrots. Eat the carrots. Gabriel, eat the carrots.
I want the carrot.
You want the carrots? Eat the carrots. Tinutusok pa niya. Yummy? Yummy carrots?
Yes.
Yummy? Is it yummy, Gabriel?
Yes.
Yummy carrots. Wow.